Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. In computing, what does the abbreviation USB stand for? Is it A. Unitary System Bar, B. Undivided Special Breaker, C. Unilateral Series Buoy, or D. Universal Serial Bus? The answer is D. Universal Serial Bus.
The Universal Serial Bus, USB, revolutionized connectivity by replacing a tangle of cables with a single, versatile interface. Introduced in 1996, it simplified the connection of peripherals to computers. Fun fact, USB's plug-and-play feature was so groundbreaking that it inspired the term hot swapping, allowing devices to be connected without rebooting.
Question 2. Which organ stores urine? Is it A. Stomach, B. Kidney, C. Liver, or D. Bladder? The answer is D. Bladder.
The bladder, a stretchy muscular sac, can hold about 16 to 24 ounces of urine comfortably. Interestingly, it signals the brain when it's only half full, urging you to find a restroom. In ancient Rome, urine was so valued for its ammonia content that it was used as a cleaning agent.
Question 3. What is dermatopathology the study of? Is it A. Hearing, B. Fermentation, C. Skin disease, or D. Games and play? The answer is C. Skin disease.
Dermatopathology is the fascinating intersection of dermatology and pathology, focusing on diagnosing skin diseases at a microscopic level. Specialists in this field can identify over 1,500 different skin disorders, ranging from common conditions like eczema to rare genetic anomalies. Their work often resembles detective work, piecing together clues to solve medical mysteries.
Question 4. What is pharmacology the study of? Is it A. Animal diseases, B. Museum management, C. Drugs, or D. The scientific study of muscles? The answer is C. Drugs.
Pharmacology, the study of drugs, delves into how substances interact with living organisms to produce a change in function. This field not only explores therapeutic effects but also investigates potential side effects and toxicities. Interestingly, ancient civilizations like the Sumerians used opium poppies as early as 3400 BCE for medicinal purposes.
Question 5. Who invented the telephone? Is it A. Alexander Graham Bell, B. Claude Decibel, C. Thomas Edison, or D. Guglielmo Marconi? The answer is A. Alexander Graham Bell.
Alexander Graham Bell, credited with inventing the telephone in 1876, was inspired by his work with the deaf. Interestingly, he considered it an intrusion and refused to have a telephone in his study. His invention revolutionized communication but also sparked numerous legal battles over patent rights, which he ultimately won.
Question 6. What are the two different values of the square root of 144? Is it A. 144 and minus 144, B. 12 and minus 12, C. 24 and minus 24, or D. 12 and 24? The answer is B. 12 and minus 12.
The square root of 144 is a fascinating number because it has two values, 12 and minus 12. This duality highlights the intriguing nature of mathematics, where every positive number has both a positive and negative square root. It's like having a secret twin, one that's always lurking in the shadows.
Question 7. What is Astacology the study of? Is it A. Crayfish, B. Blood, C. Earth materials, or D. The night sky? The answer is A. Crayfish.
Astacology, the study of crayfish, delves into creatures often dubbed freshwater lobsters. These fascinating crustaceans can walk forward and backward thanks to their unique jointed legs. With over 600 species worldwide, crayfish are vital to aquatic ecosystems and have even inspired culinary delights like the famous Cajun crawfish boil.
Question 8. What would you call a female bird? Is it A. a sow, B. a nanny, C. a lioness, or D. a hen? The answer is D. a hen.
In the avian world, a female bird is often called a hen, regardless of species. This term isn't just for chickens. From majestic eagles to tiny sparrows, these hens play crucial roles in nesting and raising their young. Interestingly, some species even have hens that are more colorful than their male counterparts.
Question 9. What is a female pig known as? Is it A. a jenny, B. a gander, C. a sow, or D. a hen? The answer is C. a sow.
A female pig is called a sow, and she can give birth to a litter of piglets, often numbering 10 to 12 at a time. Remarkably social creatures, sows communicate with their young through grunts and squeals, each sound conveying different messages. They even sing to their piglets while nursing.
As we orbit out of today's quiz, remember, in the universe of curiosity, you're always a star. Until next time, keep your minds in motion. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.